Jumper EZpad 6 Plus hands-on, a well-built, nice-looking Surface clone. I quite like the form factor of the EZpad 6 Plus. Its 11.6-inch capacitive IPS touchscreen has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and a display ratio of 16:9. Its dimensions are 297.0 by 183.0 x 16.0 mm, 11.69 by 7.2 by 0.63 inches, and it weighs 0.9890 kilograms. Windows 10 Surface Pro 4 lookalike, Chuwi's Surbook goes the budget route. Chuwi has unveiled a Surface Pro 4 clone, but one that features Intel's lower-end Apollo Lake processor. Read more. It is almost the same size as the Chuwi Surbook I looked at in September 2017. It has a plastic case and a metal kickstand that adjusts up to about 160 degrees with two distinct set positions. Inside the tablet is an Intel Celeron N3450, a quad-core CPU that runs between 1.1 GHz, up to 2.2 GHz. There is also an Intel HD Graphics Generation 9 GPU running at 500 MHz. It has 6 GB DDR3L RAM and a storage capacity of 64 GB SIM-ROM. The external features are minimal. There is a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB, micro USB port, a DC jack, and a mini HDMI port. You can attach an additional Pin-type keyboard, although the keyboard was not included with this version of the tablet. There is also a TF slot behind the kickstand. Read also, Windows 10 on MacBook Air clone? Latest Chuwi budget laptop is Apple lookalike, Chuwi High 13 review, the tablet that thinks it's a laptop. Windows 10 laptops, Chuwi prices its new higher-res display EZpad 12.3 at $350. Its battery is 3500 mAh, which Jumper says will play videos for up to 4 hours. I found the battery life adequate, but it did not last me more than 3 hours working on general office applications without a charge. To compare, the Chuwi Surbook has a battery of 10,000 mAh. There is a front-facing camera, which is only 2 megapixels, okay for video calls, but do not rely on this for high-quality images. There is no flash on the tablet. Although it looks like the tablet has a rear camera, this is a blank on the back of the casing. The sound is actually quite good from the dual-channel speaker. I found the quality perfectly acceptable, reasonably loud, and not tinny, unusually good compared to some tablets. The tablet runs Windows 10 Creators Update, build 15603. This particular model is not a dual-boot tablet. Read also, Chuwi's High 13.5-inch convertible tablet is $369. Surface Book alternative, Chuwi High 10 Plus tablet review, a low-cost dual-boot tablet with great performance, Elephone S8 hands-on, a solid, no-nonsense phone for business use. I did not have any particular niggles with this tablet, but I was not blown away by it either. It seemed to be a solid, mid-range tablet with standard features and performance. I think that the camera could have been better. The EZpad 6 Plus only has a 2-megapixel front camera, while the Chuwi Surbook comes with a 2-megapixel front camera and a 5-megapixel rear camera in a very similar form factor. This is a well-built, mid-priced tablet priced around $250, which would be perfectly good for both office and home use. Chuwi Surbook hands-on, a high-performing Surface clone. The Chuwi Surbook is an affordable, high-performing alternative to the Microsoft Surface and the Apple iPad Pro. Windows 10 Surface Pro 4 lookalike, Chuwi's Surbook goes the budget route. Chuwi has unveiled a Surface Pro 4 clone, but one that features Intel's lower-end Apollo Lake processor. Chuwi Lapbook Air hands-on, a slim, beautiful PC, but no touching. Chuwi's Lapbook Air is slim and lovely, and it looks like a laptop.